We'll guide you through how to create a split screen effect in CapCut on PC. First, import the videos or images you want to use into CapCut. Next, drag your first clip onto the timeline. Now add the second clip as an overlay by placing it on the track above the first video. Once both clips are on the timeline, select the top video layer. Then go to the right side panel and open Video Basic. To help position the clips evenly, you can temporarily lower the opacity of the top clip. For example, I'll move this clip slightly to the right, then select the bottom clip and move it over to the left. You don't have to position them this way, it's just personal preference. Once everything is aligned properly, go back to the top layer and increase the opacity again. Now keep the top clip selected in Settings. Find Mask, then choose the Split option. You'll now see a split line appear on the preview screen. Use the rotation handle to rotate the split line however you want. Then drag the line itself to adjust where the screen is divided. Keep adjusting the angle and position until the split screen looks the way you want. And that's it, your split screen effect is ready. If you find this tutorial useful, consider subscribing and liking the video.